In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can restore a Postgres database. Now the sample database that I'll be using was downloaded from neo.tech, right? I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So let's minimize this and go to pgAdmin. Before you can restore your database, you need to create a shell database. So right click database, select create and then select database. I'm going to call this DVD rental. And then select save. Now once you have your shell database, right click and then select restore. The first thing that you need to do is select your format. It can be either a tar or directory. So the backup that I have on disk is a tar backup, right? So I'm going to keep it default. And now I'm going to be browsing for the file location. So it's under my backups, DVD rental, and I'm going to select that tar file. Now on the data options tab are some different options that you can select for your database. Now because I'm restoring a tar file, I can't run parallel jobs, so I'm going to keep the default and then select restore. The restore completed successfully, so now let's refresh the DVD rental database. Now let's expand schemas, expand tables, and this is a list of databases that are in the DVD rental database. And that's basically it. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.